Hey guys, so finally requested feature from Google Chrome arrived, and now you can easily change your thumbnails on Google Chrome homepage. In order for this to work, you just need to update to latest Google Chrome. So if you want to change your thumbnails here, now you have the option to do this. You just hover and you have an option to edit shortcut. And you can add any site you want, just like this. Done. And it will be added here. So it wasn't like that before. Just like a few weeks ago, nobody knew how exactly to change your thumbnails or shortcuts on Google Chrome homepage. Now you can do that easily. You can remove them. Shortcut removed, undo. You can remove and you can restore default shortcuts. So all this stuff is now available, and finally this problem has been solved with Google Chrome. So just update your Google Chrome to latest version and you will be happy.